welcome back to my channel. A long time no see, because your girl been enjoying her protective style along with a lot of other stuff that's going on. But today, I've already started the process, you know, when you got them. But today I'm going to be taking down these 6-week-old jumbo goddess bohemian style box braids. So if you guys haven't seen the video and or the braid care video, I'll be sure to link them above in the cards as well as in the description box. But right now, let's just jump into it. And I'm just going to start with the front. I do have these curly pieces, and so this video is basically just going to be best practices. I'm going to stop talking here in just a second and probably voice over in just some best practices when taking down your braids to help prevent breakage and, of course, you know, continue to promote length retention. And I do have a lot to discuss with you guys coming up on my channel, but I just want to make sure that I address everything appropriately and fully, because when I address it, it's just going to be the only time that I address just all the changes that are going to be coming to my channel. If any other part of this is just all the parts where you use the scissors is going to be the parts where you want to be super careful. The most important rule in taking down my braids is making sure that I remove as much shed hair and built up dirt as possible before moving on to my shampoo stage. If you've ever had a bad experience taking down protective styles, then you know one of the major causes is matting and tangled hair, and that gives you the biggest frustration and can lead to losing more hair than necessary. The best way to prevent excessive tangling is to take your time at this stage and detangle each section individually before moving on. This will save you literally more than 50% of time during your actual shampoo routine. Now that I've shown you what the detangling process looks like up close, I like to remove all the braid hair from each section and then slowly work through detangling that section before moving on to the next. Not going to lie, this step probably takes me more than an hour and is the longest in this entire process, but it's definitely worth it. After removing and section detangling all of my braids, these are the results. Taking the time to do this step properly really shows how much elasticity and how shiny my hair is with no water, just a slip conditioner added to detangle. I don't hot oil treatment often, but I love to do a good hot oil treatment after my protective styles just to give my hair a little extra TLC. I also like to do my hot oil treatments before my shampoos just because I have low porosity hair, and I don't like to use a lot of oils post-wash to help prevent products just sitting on top of my strands. First, I'm taking my stimulating hair oil with henna and using that directly on my scalp and roots and massaging my scalp to help stimulate growth. Then I'm taking a very generous amount of Jamaican black castor oil and applying it to the lengths of my hair and also to the canopy of my head. I usually process my hot oil treatments with heat for 30 minutes to an hour. After doing a generous warm rinse to rinse out the oils and wet my hair, keeping my hair twisted, my first shampoo is always to clarify. Clarifying after a long protective style stint is super important, especially for low porosity girls. I have a list of my favorite clarifying shampoos already on my channel, but you can just use your favorite. It honestly doesn't really matter the brand as long as it gets your hair super clean. After rinsing out the first shampoo, I'm also going to do a quick ACV rinse to pick up any stubborn buildup and to help add shine and elasticity back to my curls. After massaging it into my roots, I pour the remainder of the solution directly over my hair and then let that sit in for about 15 minutes without heat for rinsing and beginning my normal shampoo deep condition routine that you guys already are familiar with. That begins with a sulfate-free gentle shampoo before deep conditioning and detangling to prepare to style. And so I know at this stage, a lot of you guys may be saying, I couldn't shampoo my hair that much because it's gonna make my hair dry or dry out my strands. But your post-braid or protective style routine should be all about the reset. You've given your hair time to rest, but you've also accumulated a lot of oils and product over the weeks. So to make sure that your hair can properly receive all the moisture moving forward, you want to make sure that there is no past buildup whatsoever. Following up my shampoo routine with a combination of a good slip conditioner and a powerful moisturizing deep conditioner is usually all I need to get that squeaky clean hair back to feeling super soft, shiny, and manageable. I'm gonna give my hair a break for about a week before I install my next protective style because like I said, we keeping this train going. So for now, I'm just gonna put my hair in some large jumbo twists to keep it detangled and out of the way. And of course, no luxury routine is complete without a fresh face mask. Shouty. Luxury by basic definition for me is simply anything that is fancier or beyond what you normally would do to your everyday hair routine. It doesn't have to be super expensive. You just have to do each step with care and with purpose. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Drop any questions you have for me in the comment section. OG cousins say what's up, and I will see all you guys in the next upload.